Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to set eBay categories via M2E Pro to improve search experiences on eBay for your customers. If you are an active eBay seller, then you are already familiar with eBay categories. In a nutshell, it's a system allowing you to organize your items on eBay by different criteria so that you can easily reach the right buyer. Before we move to categories management, there are two important things you need to remember. First of all, you need to make sure category list in M2E Pro is up to date. For that, go to the Marketplaces tab in the Configuration section and click Update Now for the marketplaces you are using. This way, you'll make sure new categories and specifics are added in your M2E Pro. Another important point is to check your revised settings to ensure that module automatically revises categories and specifics on eBay when this data or chosen Magento attribute are modified. For that, go to the sync policies you are using for products to be listed on eBay and turn on Category Specifics option. M2E Pro has an advanced system allowing you to effectively assign and manage eBay categories no matter how many products you sell. You can easily assign categories when adding products to M2E Pro listings. For that, choose one of the options which suits you best. All products same category will be perfect for you if you need the same category settings for all products in M2E Pro listings. You can also assign categories based on Magento categories or get suggested categories from eBay. Once the search is complete, a list of products will be shown along with the suggested eBay categories. A notification will appear for a product if no eBay category has been set. And of course, there is always an option for you to set categories manually for each product. When you choose this option, you will see the M2E Pro products list. To manually assign a product category, select Edit Categories from the Actions drop-down. In the pop-up, you can set and edit primary and secondary eBay categories, as well as item-specific set for the category. And if you have an eBay store, you can also set the eBay store categories. M2E Pro allows you to browse categories or search them by keywords and category IDs. Also, you can select a Magento attribute, which would be a source for a category data. By the way, if you choose Magento attribute to be a source, you will need to set your specifics manually from scratch, including titles and values. You can edit eBay categories after they've been assigned to products in M2E Pro listing under Settings View mode. It allows you to set categories for each product in your M2E Pro listing. After you finish setting up categories, you can continue managing them in the Configuration tab. On this page, you will find all categories assigned to the listing products. Click View to see the details about category settings and make adjustments. On the first tab, you can edit the default set of item specifics for the selected category. On the primary and secondary category tabs, you can view and manage products or move them to a different category. For your convenience, you can manage product categories in bulk. You can select needed products, then use the Actions menu at the very top of the grid. In addition, using the filter, you can easily find products in the category with custom specifics. See how to set up default and custom item specifics in our latest video. Thank you for watching. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out other videos on how to make the most out of M2E Pro functionality.